I'm with my subscriber. This is Foraging with my subscriber. I'm here with Don.
Yep.
Okay, do the honors, Don. Okay, they pluck one here, and there's a little mound right here. Go ahead. Give it a good.
Oh, right. So subtle.
Yeah, very subtle. I just explained to him that there is a lot of dig mark, but I told him we will find some, and I am right. I just wiggle it. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's kind of small, but hey, it's still a mushroom. Okay, cover that. He's having a good look and see if he can find it. That's the one I was talking about. Yep. Go ahead and just, yeah. You don't have to be really gentle. You just go down. Yeah. Exactly. You just go and just move that. There you go. See?
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, they are sturdy.
Yeah. See that? This one is a little soft.
Okay.
This one's a little bit harder. So yeah, they're okay for eating. Dude, yeah, you see it, right? Okay, come on, see if you can find this one. It's very subtle. It is. Okay. It is a crack. Okay. It is a crack. Okay, I'm gonna show you so you can tell later on. Okay. Right there.
Oh, right.
Go ahead, open that.
Okay. Oh, just the twigs pushed up.
Yeah. There you go.
Wow.
It's all about learning. It's not quantity.
Yeah.
This is a learning process.
Jeez.
Yeah. It is flowered out though. Yeah. Just there you go.
That's soil.
Yep. Pod soil. Okay. We'll continue on. He spotted the other one. Come up here and see if you can see it without me pointing it out to you. Get up. Very easy to see. If you walk up here, you might find it. Look down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a big one. Jeez.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. That is a 4. And see, the trail is right there. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Okay, I just explained to Don there are dig marks over here. Right there. Dug that up, but just right up above it, there is a crack right here. Right here, Don. See that crack? Yeah. Go ahead.
There it is.
And there it is, my friends. Now more people are coming. Okay, hold on. Let me move more. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. There you go. Wiggle, wiggle. Look how deep that was. Look at how big that hole it created.
Yeah, he's used to fragile mushrooms. These are really sturdy.
Oh yeah, they are. Okay. And this might be one, maybe, possibly. It is a mound, but I don't think it is a. Nope.
It's cracks.
Yeah, that was crack. Oh, here, up there. Let's see if you can spot it. You can. It's a couple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not just that one.
Yep. Let's see.
Look to the right, up. And if I'm, yeah. Oh, it's okay. You're gonna eat it. Don't worry. Just cover it back.
Okay.
I break a lot too, so that's a nice one.
Yeah.
That's a 2. That is a 2. And somebody closed the car door below us.
Another?
Yeah. I think there might be one over here, maybe, possibly. See?
Wow.
And there's actually more after that, up above it.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah, I'm just showing you this way, you know, when you're by yourself, you'll have an idea of how they grow.
Sure.
Yeah.
Jeez.
He's on his knees, see that? Yeah. There we go. This is the one I was talking about. There's actually 2 more here. That's one. And here's the other one. This one's pretty good. There we go. Where'd that one go to? Here.
Nice.
And I was just about to go to a different spot. But, you know, it's better to teach you here.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it's harder to find.
Harder to find, yes. How much we got so far?
Good
Not
amount.
bad.
Yeah.
We've only been here how many? 10 minutes?
Yeah.
We're actually finding mushroom here and there, but I spotted one from there, from the road. Saw some white. He can probably see it too if you get closer. Come on, Don. Get down on your knees.
Okay. Yep. Yep.
There you go.
Okay, no.
Then as you're digging that one up, you want to do a scan too.
Okay.
Okay. Every time I'm down on my knees, I'm bending down to pluck that one. I'm actually scanning. My eyes are scanning, just like you're doing now. Yeah, for teaching people how to find masatake.
That's,
Yeah, that's soft. Somebody stepped on it.
oh. But stem feels good.
Knowing what to look for. You can always find mushroom even where people have already dug really bad. Yeah, you can find more the way I'm teaching them. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it's a root system underneath. It's called, yeah.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he's one of my subscribers from my channel, so I'm teaching him.
You have
Yeah.
a channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, what does it called?
Mushroom Foraging Adventures.
Oh, okay. I'm going to check it out.
Check it out. There's a lot of tips over there. A lot of tips.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'd love to.
Now, if you want to tag around,
Okay.
yeah, can you find it? It's around here.
Here's this. No, that's not it.
Look by this.
Oh, this might be it.
Look by
Can
there.
I look too?
Yes, yes. If you find it, you keep it.
Okay. Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
right
go.
there.
Let her have that one.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay.
Go ahead. No, don't worry. I'm sharing. We're
Oh,
sharing.
okay, thank you.
This is a sharing channel. And as you're going down like that, right? You want to scan as you're low.
Oh,
you
yeah.
see more that way, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I don't use a
this is a
stick
nice one.
because, you know why? Because a lot of people, they use a stick, they don't bend down. They just pluck it,
Oh,
pull it
no.
out. But if you're down to your knee, you can see better.
Yeah.
That's one way to pick more mushroom too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I know you spot that over there, right? You thought you spot one over there, and
so,
you
but I think
and you
that's a
went
leaf.
right for it.
Yeah, but
Next
then I
time,
missed this
go
one.
slower.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. As you're walking up to there, look as you go. That's a nice one. Look at that.
I liked eating the
Oh,
big
everybody.
ones. Well, I don't like the number ones because they're too small.
They're hard to clean, I know.
Yeah, but
Yeah, the big one.
For cracks.
Yeah, you're looking for cracks and mound. Here, I have to show you.
Oh.
Right there. See that? Would you see it? Oh, wait, here she comes.
but I see it.
There's a
Oh,
mound.
I see.
That's what I'm
There's a
actually
mound.
teaching people to look for, those type of
So-
stuff.
There's a slightly mounded over there.
That is right there. That might be it. Okay. It's a crack now.
Yeah, the crack.
100% sure now. See?
Oh, yeah.
That's actually what I'm teaching people to look for.
Yeah, this is a crack.
Crack, little mound. Yeah.
Okay, well, that's a good tip.
Oh yeah. I'm not. When I teach people, I'm going to teach them to be really good.
And it's kind of like looking for treasure and then you
It
find
is.
it.
It is.
You're
It
so
is.
happy.
It is. It is. You can see this one. It's very easy. It's sticking out white. So you look right where they already dug, right?
Okay, so people dug here.
Yeah, people have dug here already. But what I'm doing is I'm teaching people how to look. There you go.
Look. Oh, no. That's
No, you're almost there. Get back down.
Oh, it's right here. Yeah.
So, and the reason why I see all these is because I'm going really slow.
Oh,
and
I
also
see.
I
I
know
can
what to
see
look
now,
for.
too.
No, just keep it. You found that one.
No. I like finding it.
Yeah, she wants to find it on her own.
Yeah. No, she did find that one. I just kind of,
Yeah,
you know,
I saw this,
yeah. When you, yeah, okay.
okay, well, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, you see the animal ate that one right
Oh,
there.
yeah, part-
Yeah, part of it.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, deer eat them. Oh, the deer love them. Yeah. Nice, Don. Nice. I can see one over there too. He did spot this over here. I didn't spot this for him. He spotted that when he came and investigated that. Oh, it's a nice one. Nice flower. This is frozen.
It feels okay.
Yeah. No, even this frozen is edible.
Yeah, Val would love this one.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Bob would love
Big
that
one.
one. Well, if we run into her, we do get a lot. I'll give her a little bit. Yeah, it's just nothing wrong with sharing. See if you can spot something white over there. Might be a leaf though. I think it might be a leaf, not a pine. Oh, it is a pine.
Yeah, it's got big in.
Yeah, come on. Just one. Right there. I only see one. Don't see no cracks, no mound. Well, let's get up here and see if we can find more up this way. Okay. Yeah, this is Don's tutorial day with me, the Forager.
Master Forager.
No, just the Forager. Oh, that's a nice one, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels good too.
Yeah.
Oh.
See, the legs is crooked like that. That's
Yeah.
why it'll be hung up on a root. That's why sometimes if you're not careful,
Oh.
you break it. It's like a J. Here you go.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's keep looking around. Moss that we talked about earlier was black spot. Is it a pine?
Yeah, it feels like it.
Yes, it is. Nice. Yeah, we might not find a lot today, but we're giving you some tips that other people would not tell you but me. Look at that nice big one. Pop
That's
right
a-
through the decomposing wood. Look at that.
How did you miss that?
They were too busy scratching over there, that's why.
Yeah. Wow. Massive.
Yeah. Okay. This guy's probably just as big. There's two of them.
Wow.
Yeah, there's two of them.
Okay.
Let's see if I can grab both of them. Oh, got stuck on a dun 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 dun. I realized where that dun 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 come, that butter commercial.
Oh,
I
right.
think it was the butter commercial.
Yeah, I think it's Imperial.
Imperial, yeah. I was like, what? Why do I say all that? And I realized, oh, it's that butter commercial that I saw when I was a kid. Okay, let's keep going. So I'm walking on the log here. We can spot this one from a distant. Don's going over there.
Wow, two of them.
Yeah. Look how eaten up it is.
Yeah, the deer got into that one.
Yeah, he ate that one. But look at, very big.
Yeah, it's huge. Still feels
Hard.
yeah.
Yeah, one right
Wow.
next, two of them right next to each other. No. Could be, but no. Yeah.
Wow.
Just those two is enough for a good meal.
Yeah.
Okay, me and Don, we're just gonna keep trying to find that mother lode. It's right by where Don picked up those guys. There we go.
Is that two?
Yeah,
Two for.
two for. Oh, they look to be a round. Look to be a probably a
No.
two. Number two. Oh, number three. Usually, since I'm a commercial picker, I try to save the veil as much as possible. So I just wiggle that and try to save the veil. That's how the price are determined, by the veil.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I don't see anymore. Okay, we'll keep looking. Me and Don will just keep searching for some good content. Pretty big.
Yeah. Yeah, and the crack on the other side.
Yeah. Oh,
That's good.
pine. So Don is from Auburn, guys. So I've got people from Everett, Vancouver. I even got people from Canada. Look at the stem on this thing. That wants to come out and join me. I kind of want to go to Canada and join them and pick some chaga mushroom. See? There. Yeah, there's a button. There you go. Thank you everybody for watching. That is going to end it for episode 6, part 1 of the video. Watch for part 2. Thank you everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see everybody on the next adventure. Bye.